Hey guys, I got some exciting news about Eden. Well, their plan is to do a big engine improvement, no in-game loading, graphics improvement. They're going to add fireworks, portal, steel block, half-size blocks, double-size blocks, completely redone world gen, paint bombs, colored lightning, treasure collecting, and more polish, sounds and music, and hopefully some new creatures if Steve's has the time. I wasn't sure if the more ambitious features would be possible. And then, this is from their website. They're going to release it June 1st. So everyone, if you're an Eden fan, June 1st. Keep that day open. And then here's another one. Anyway, I hope this answers some of your questions. Again, June 1st is our planning release day. I think because this update is so big, I'm going to skip two version numbers to skip to 2.0. Again, sorry for the lack of posts. PR, it isn't really my thing. I'll see if I can mess with the settings a bit so more user posts are shown in the timeline. And then they said, oh, and doors, and lots and lots and lots of doors. So we're going to get doors, which is good. Thank you guys, and bye.